A blurry backup camera can be caused by several factors, including damage to the external parts of the camera. To address this issue, inspect the camera for signs of wear and tear, and confirm that the lens stabilizer and other components are intact. If any parts are loose, tighten the screws, and replace any broken components. A dirty lens can also lead to a blurry image, so clean the lens with a microfiber cloth and a suitable cleaning solution to improve clarity. Additionally, internal condensation can damage the camera, causing blurriness. To fix this, uninstall the camera and dry it in the sun or place it in a bag of uncooked rice for 3 days. Faulty connections, such as loose or damaged wires, can also be the culprit, so inspect the wiring system. Ensure the connections are secure, and replace any damaged cables. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your blurry backup camera and restore a clear image.